A great pair of glasses is all about how they make you look, how they make you see, and most importantly, how they make you feel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing a pair from my collection that I think look great, give me incredibly clear vision, and make me feel confident in any situation. And I'm going to be talking about all the little details that make this pair of glasses so good. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant at the Spectacle Factory, not here. I've brought you out today to this incredibly beautiful scene where we're going to be showcasing one of my favourite pairs of glasses. These are the J F Rey 2836 from the Carbon Wood series, where J F Rey for the first time combined those two materials together, carbon fibre and wood, into a single frame. And that's very representative of what J F Rey do. If you haven't heard of them, they are probably the most innovative, creative eyewear brand on the planet, and that speaks to me because so many companies are happy to use conventional materials, conventional designs, conventional shapes, conventional colours in designing glasses. But guess what? We're all individual, and having glasses that feel individual to you is one of, in my opinion, the most important things about making them feel special when you wear them. Unlike a lot of J F Rey's designs, they are not super crazy. And I can appreciate some of their crazier frames. I own a few pairs myself and I think they're very cool, but this one is pretty understated as J F Rey go. That means that this style I found I can wear in almost any situation. I can wear it formally, I can wear it casually, I can wear it outdoors as we are now. I would say that these are truly my most versatile glasses. But then you notice the details on the frames. The wood finish along the top, which is going to be unique to each piece. The carbon fibre along the bottom. And then that's when you truly realise just how beautiful these glasses are. If you are going to pick one pair of glasses, I think you would really struggle to beat these because they just do everything. And that leads me nicely onto the lenses. So these are Zeiss SmartLife lenses, which are just unbelievably clear. It's very difficult to put into words how they make you feel when you wear them, but you are aware of everything going on around you. I'm in this beautiful scene right now. I have beautiful flowers on the ground, beautiful blue skies, and SmartLife lenses, well, any Zeiss lens allows you to take in all of that with absolute clarity and detail, unlike any other lenses that you can get. But guess what? I also love my tech, and for example, I'm filming on this camera now. I have the need to focus on a screen, seeing myself. I need to focus on my phone when I need to check it, and I need to work at home on my laptop responding to all of the questions that you guys ask me on YouTube and Instagram and email. So I spend a lot of time both out in nature and using my digital screens. And SmartLife lenses allow instant refocusing between the two. So you can switch focus and therefore attention really effortlessly and naturally. Now, here's where it gets special, because I talked about how these glasses are my most versatile pair, and part of that is the styling, part of that is the SmartLife technology, but an even bigger part of it all is the PhotoFusion flash technology that's built into these glasses. So you may have noticed how these lenses have a very subtle kind of reflective finish on the surface of them. These have an amber flash coating. It adds that pop of gold to the glasses, which I think makes them look more luxurious, more special. I think that's really integral to the styling of these because the frame by itself, as I said, very understated. The gold elevates them. But when you step out into the sunshine, as I am about to do, the PhotoFusion technology takes over, and that is going to activate to make these lenses transition into a full pair of sunglasses. A brown tint, it's PhotoFusion brown, with an amber flash coating. Just watch. And look at this view. This is what I've just stepped out into. Can you see how quickly these lenses have now activated? PhotoFusion technology is just incredible with the right pair of glasses. And I deliberately picked a frame to match to them, which looks good as a sunglass as well as an optical. And that completes the versatility of this pair of glasses. And just take it in. Seeing a view like this, with perfect detail, because the PhotoFusion brown really does enhance greens. What more could you want from a pair of glasses? As I said at the start, having the right pair of glasses is all about looking good, seeing the best you can, and feeling great as well. So when you're looking for your next pair of glasses, I want you to think about all the things that I've talked about in this video, all the ways that you can elevate your own eyewear, and if you want any personal advice on that, I'd love to help. We ship glasses all over the world now, I think literally to every country. So thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel for the best eyewear content on the internet, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye bye.